that each dominant chord hides in its structure 3 more chords that you can use to multiply your possibilities when resolving to a major chord or a minor chord. If we alter any dominant with a flat 9, we can say that on top of our root we got a diminished chord that we can employ in minor thirds to cover the entire fretboard. How many times have you heard phrases like this? Let's start in G7, finding the rest of the chords that we can use till our home chord again. Just a quick reminder, if you are not subscribed, please click the button and help me reach more people with my lessons and help me keep doing more videos. Thank you very much. Our chords would be G7th, B flat 7th, D flat 7th, and A7th. All of them belonging to the diminished arpeggio. Now it's time for us to find one spot in which we are comfortable both visualizing and playing any idea inside this diminished sound. I will pick this one as my home base, and I won't be using more than 3-4 notes of this arpeggio or this shape. G, B flat, D flat, E, G again. Now let's create some phrases. We are in C major, D minor, G7, and C major. I just follow the arpeggio going down, starting in D minor, whatever. It's also important to practice without the backing track, because this way you are hearing all the harmony and will help you. This exercise of playing alone will help you develop your inner ear and intuition when hearing harmonies. I would do something like this, starting in this position and thinking about the harmony and the chords and trying to improvise. Another one. Once I have the first position, I would move to another one and do exactly the same. We reach D flat dominant, and we can think of this chord as a tritone sub for our 2/5. And come back to work. And finally, E7th. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.